Picture the world in 1847. Amid the throbbing pulse of the Industrial Revolution, a company was born that would shape the future of technology. That company was Siemens. Rooted in the pioneering spirit of its founders, Siemens began its journey with groundbreaking strides in telegraphy and electrical engineering. Imagine a time when the telegraph was the pinnacle of communication and electricity, a novel wonder. Siemens was there pushing boundaries, innovating, and setting the stage for a technological revolution. From the get-go, Siemens was a force to be reckoned with in the realm of technology. As the decades rolled on, Siemens proved its mettle by branching out into a variety of sectors. A foray into the energy sector saw Siemens leaving its indelible mark on the world's power supply systems. The company helped to light up cities, power industries, and bring renewable energy to the forefront of global discussions. But Siemens didn't stop at energy. They ventured into the realm of industrial automation, developing systems that not only increased efficiency, but also revolutionized entire industries. From automated assembly lines to complex robotics, Siemens was instrumental in shaping the factories of the future. Healthcare too felt the transformative impact of Siemens. Through key acquisitions and strategic partnerships, Siemens brought cutting-edge medical technology to hospitals and clinics worldwide, improving diagnostics and patient care. Siemens was no longer just a technology company. It was a global powerhouse driving innovation in a multitude of sectors. Fast forward to the present day, and Siemens continues to break new ground. The company's financial success story has been nothing short of remarkable. In the fiscal year 2022 to 2023, Siemens posted record profits of nearly 8 billion euros, largely driven by its thriving digital division. But the company's ambitions extend far beyond the balance sheet. Siemens has made significant investments in US manufacturing, particularly in critical infrastructure. This strategic move has allowed the company to focus on high-growth markets such as data centers, batteries, and rail transportation. By leveraging its technological prowess and deep industry knowledge, Siemens is helping to shape the future of these sectors. The company's commitment to innovation and sustainability is unwavering, and it continues to lead the way in developing cutting-edge solutions that address global challenges. In a rapidly evolving world, Siemens is not just keeping pace, but setting the tempo. Siemens' commitment to technological advancement is unwavering. A testament to this is their collaboration with Intel, a partnership that's redefining the landscape of semiconductor manufacturing. Together, they're not only pushing the boundaries of production efficiency, but also embodying a shared vision of sustainability. From the initial design stages, Siemens and Intel are implementing measures to reduce environmental impact. They're harnessing renewable energy sources, optimizing water usage, and minimizing waste, creating a model for eco-conscious manufacturing. But it doesn't stop at production. They're ensuring that every semiconductor chip has a life cycle that's as green as possible, with recycling programs that aim to reclaim and reuse valuable materials. Siemens' dedication to sustainability in semiconductor manufacturing is more than just a corporate strategy. It's an ethos, a pledge to the planet. Their technological innovations are driving industry standards, shaping the tech world, and contributing to a greener tomorrow. In the quest for technological progress, Siemens is leading the charge towards a sustainable future. What does the future hold for Siemens? One might ask. As we look ahead, Siemens is mapping out a future where industries, infrastructure, transport, and healthcare are at the forefront of its vision. Siemens is not just looking to make a mark in these sectors, but to transform them through the seamless integration of the real and digital worlds. Imagine a world where automated factories are powered by artificial intelligence, where renewable energy powers our homes and cities, where transportation is electrified and healthcare is personalized. This is the world that Siemens envisions, a world where digital technology revolutionizes our day-to-day lives. But it's not just about transformation. Siemens also places a high value on sustainability. As it continues to innovate, it's committed to maintaining a balance between technological progress and environmental preservation. With its eyes firmly on the horizon, Siemens is engineering a future where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. The legacy of Siemens extends far beyond its products and profits. Its enduring influence in the technology realm is a testament to its ceaseless pursuit of innovation. From shaping the first electric railway to advancing semiconductor manufacturing, Siemens has consistently been at the forefront of technological breakthroughs. But it's not just about technological prowess. Siemens' commitment to sustainability weaves a green thread through its diverse portfolio, making it a true champion of a sustainable future. Siemens, a beacon of innovation, a champion of sustainability, and a testament to the power of human ingenuity.